Welcome back to my channel. Before we jump to our video topic, I want to thanks everybody. Recently, we have completed 100 subscriber on YouTube, and just in few weeks. And please keep supporting. I will try to make as good as video I can. And yeah, as I announced before yesterday, soon we are gonna start a SQL series. I hope it will help you with the improving your SQL skill as well. So yeah, so let's discuss our topic first. Today we are gonna make video on the who are 25th, 25, 50 and 100 customer for top respective to sum of sales in 2021. Okay, without any further delay, let's get started. We will create a parameter for this. First parameter name you can choose as per your choice, but I will choose, like, we have to set 25, 50 and 100 customer, right? So data type we will use here the integer, and in current value we will keep it as it is, because we are gonna select the multiple criteria over here. So for the value over here, so for that I will click here 25, and I will name as a 25th customers. You can keep it as it is if you want, but I'm keep writing like that. I will choose this is 50th and 100. Okay, so you can choose as much as you want. See, whenever you make a parameter, it's same. Like if they told you, like, we want top 10, 15, 20, whatever it can be, so we will put in the list. If they said we want, like, here the step size is like, you can say, like, one, then it three, 5, 6. So in the step size we will, you can use the current value, like, you can say 1. You will keep it step size 1, then it will jump like 1, 3, 5, like that. So this is that, but in our case here, just to give you a hint, I wrote like that. So let me, oh sorry, let me change this first. 50th, 100 and 100. Okay, so this is our parameter. I will just simply click OK. Okay, so as you can see here, our parameter has been created. I will just simply click on, right click on here and show parameter. Okay, so this is our parameter has been created. So we need here the customer name, sales, and the year, right? Year is 2021. So what I will do, I will drag this customer name from here to the column section, and sum of cells, like we need a measure of sum, right? So I will drag this cells from here to the rows field. So as you can, I will keep it as a descending order. Okay, now we need to use a filter over here, because whenever you use the, like, specific year from the specific customer, and they said only we needed 25, 50 and 100 customer, right? So we have to use a filter as well, because without filter you cannot do that, right? So what I will do, I will drag this customer from here to the filter section. Okay, so as I mentioned earlier in the video, sorry, our recent videos, how to copy this filter, just click in the customer, press the control and drag it into the filter section, so it will be copied. Okay, from there we have to use the parameter. I will just go to the top, use by field, which parameter we have created earlier. Just now we create this, right? Top 25th, and I will click apply and okay. So now we need an order date also, because from the order date we will get our year, right? So I will just drag here into the filter section. From there, just click on the year 2021 we want already only, right? Just click apply and okay. So this is your question. So I will just make it. Let me show you the parameter working or not. See, as you can see here, I will click in. So now we got a 50 customer here. If I will click on 100, it will get a 100 customer. If I will click on the 25th, we will get a 24th customer. Hope this video is satisfied you. And for the more videos, please do subscribe my channel and keep supporting.